Yo guys, this is another video in my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. So in this video I am going to tell you why WordPress, what we can do with WordPress, and why people use WordPress, and why all kind of answers to all kind of those questions. So first of all, WordPress is a CMS software. CMS means content management system. So anyone can use WordPress, even you don't have any idea about coding or designing, editing or any kind of stuff. Also you can install this software to your local computer. That means you don't need any domain or any hosting to test or use WordPress. So you can just download it to your local computer and install it. After that you can do testing and learn by self-study. So that is the biggest advantage. Also WordPress is a open source software. It means WordPress is 100% free. You can edit WordPress files and you can change them, and you can use your WordPress software to any kind of website. So it's open source. That is a huge advantage. That is why this is so popular CMS software, and WordPress is the most used CMS software in the world. So you can create beautiful website, like you can create a website for your company, you can create a website for your business or for your blog or news site. Also you can use WordPress for build e-commerce stores, like sell any kind of stuff. You can do it with WordPress. So that is a huge advantage. Also there has a lot of plugin with free and paid version, so you can use them and create beautiful and high performance landing page or website, blog, or you can literally do any kind of website using WordPress. You can get those all kind of features with WordPress. WordPress is 100% customizable design, and it's SEO friendly. SEO means search engine optimization, and it's mobile responsive. Also it's so powerful and really working well, and there has high security. Also you can manage media files, and it's easy to access, and it's easy. So this is why you should use WordPress. So WordPress has huge community. Also WordPress update like a month or 2 month, maximum month or 2 month, like it will update day by day. So you don't need to worry about any kind of attack, because there has lot of plugin and lot of themes to lot of plugin to improve your website security. So you don't need to worry about attacks or some kind of newly created things. So you can just easily use WordPress. So this is all about WordPress, and I am currently at wordpress.org. so just visit this site and you can get good idea about WordPress. So this is today video, and next video I will show you how to download WordPress to your local website, computer, and run it on your local computer. I hope you get really good understand about this video, and I will see you in next video. If you like this video and if you get any kind of information in this video, I really appreciate you if you can subscribe to my channel and like this channel. So if you see any kind of issues in this video, just let me know, and I want to improve those kind of issues. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video. Bye.